If you've ever looked at a designer mirror and thought there's no way it's worth that price, this project proves you don't need to spend much at all. Start with a simple full-length mirror and give that a fresh coat of gold paint to instantly elevate the look. Once that dries, use a ruler and crayon to map out some decorative details on the glass. This step helps to keep everything clean and symmetrical. From there, you can layer on some peel and stick accents, like washi tape or trim, to create texture and dimension. Take your time building the design and make sure that all of your lines are straight. Those small details are what make the mirror feel high-end. When it's done, you're left with a standing mirror that looks custom, bold, and expensive, but started with one of the cheapest mirrors you can buy. The next mirror feels like something you'd see in a boutique hotel. Start with an old door and give it a good sanding to smooth everything out and prep the surface. Once it's clean, take a mirror that fits in the center of the panel and use a strong adhesive or caulk to secure it in place. After that dries, frame the mirror using some wood pieces that you attach directly to the door. That framing instantly makes the mirror feel intentional and architectural. To finish it off, add some decorative trim to the top and bottom for just a little extra drama. Once everything is painted or sealed, the entire piece feels like a custom-built mirror you'd never guess started as a discarded door. Once it's finished, this mirror feels like a high-end statement piece rather than just a basic big box find. This project is proof that texture makes all the difference. Take a tall mirror from Walmart and grab a pack of ping pong balls. Spray paint the balls black and then let them fully dry. Then, hot glue them all the way around the edges of the mirror, keeping the spacing consistent. The rounded shape creates depth and shadow, which instantly gives the mirror a sculptural, modern look. This one takes a little patience, but the result in the end is worth it. Start by choosing decorative paper and use some Mod Podge to apply it to some tiles. This will create a cohesive pattern set. While those dry, paint a piece of plywood white to act as the base. Glue the mirror to the center using Gorilla Glue and weight it down overnight to ensure a strong bond. Once it's secure, arrange your tiles around the mirror to form a frame. Then glue those down as well, again weighing everything overnight. When it's done, you're left with a mirror that looks custom built and incredibly polished. This project starts with assembling a Walmart side table. Once built, you can modify the bottom wheels so that they can be securely attached. Once you have added the wheels, take a second table and glue it directly onto the top, creating a much taller unit. Paint the entire base of the unit your preferred color, then apply some peel and stick wallpaper to the top for a decorative contrast. The final result is a rolling kitchen island that looks custom made and adds functional storage without the cost of any built-in cabinetry. For some quick wall decor, grab a Walmart placemat and an old sign. Use faux florals, hot glue, and zip ties to attach everything securely. In just minutes, you've created a layered wall piece that adds texture and interest. Take a basic Walmart mirror and some tiles. Start by removing the tiles from each other. Then reattach them around the mirror's edge to create a simple, elevated frame that looks far more expensive than it is. Grab a plastic Walmart chair and then cut off the legs. Suddenly, you have a low-profile seat that's perfect for poolside lounging or any outdoor space. Start with a plastic bin and remove the handles. Attach some wood pieces to the bottom, add some wheels, and wrap the base in rope for texture. Finish it off with your favorite fabric on top for an elevated storage piece that blends function and style. Use a flat sheet and stamp along the edges with fabric ink. Heat set it in with an iron, and you've got decorative sheets that feel custom and high-end. Break apart pillar candles, melt them down, and pour the wax into a butterfly-shaped silicone mold. Now attach the finished shape to another candle, top it with some foiled paper, and you have a decorative look that is designer inspired. Grab some hula hoops and spray paint them black. Then attach it to the siding using hooks and pipe cleaners. Secure everything with tape, weave in some greenery, and you've got an instant wall trellis. Fill a large planter with buckets to save space, then add rocks and stack another planter on top. Then place in a solar fountain on top. Fill with water and enjoy a simple, no electric fountain feature. Lay wood pieces across a folding table and secure them together. Add framing to the edges, sand, and then stain the surface. This creates a reusable table cover perfect for any holiday or event. Attach shower rings to a flat sheet and hang it over a window for an easy breezy window covering that costs almost nothing. Sand down an old stool and then paint it your color of choice. Add some transfer paper or other decorative details to the seat and you have a one-of-a-kind accent piece. Paint the back of a mirror black and build a shadow box frame behind it. Now add some hinges, attach the mirror to the front, and you've created a sleek storage mirror that hides everyday items while looking stylish.